missed. In this video, you'll be learning how to manage rules, right? On your Excel, you'll be learning how to manage rules. So right here we have icon sets that we want to manage. We want to manage the rules, we want to change the rules here. So how do you do that? First of all, you start by highlighting the cells wherein the rules lie. So then go under conditional formatting, right? So then on the last item there you see manage rules, right? So you see several things, see this drop down, current selection and so on. You see new rule, edit rule, delete rule. We're not deleting the rule, we want to manage, we want to modify the rule, right? So you click on edit rule. Exactly. So after clicking on edit rule, let's drag this up. Okay, great. So let's see the current rules that we have. When value is greater than or equal to 75, let's change this to 90, right? So when the green icon there, so when value is less than 90 and greater than or equal to, let's say, 60, right? Great. So we're not done yet. So let's go back. Let's still drag it up a bit. So let's change this also to when value. So it has we use red. We use red when the value is greater than 60. When the value is less than 60 and greater than or equal to, let's say, 30. But one thing we also want to ensure is that the rule provides for every item in the cell, right? So when it is less than 30. So when you click out for this, when it is less than 30. When it's less than 30, it gives you black. So when you come here, you also decide whether you want it to show only the icon. You only want the icons to show, or you want the icon and the metrics to show. So if you click on icon only, and click on OK, and then click on apply, you see what happens. It wipes off the numbers and it gives you only the icon set. But we really want our numbers. We want to see our numbers. So go back to manage rules, right? Go back to manage rule, go back to edit rule, right? So then untick the show icon only. So when you click on this and click on apply, right? Click on apply, it brings back your numbers. I hope you learned something. Do want to share, do want to like, do want to hit the subscribe bell.